Hello, this is Lady Somerset, and I have an unboxing from Home Depot. I ordered I believe it's a Redbud. I think it's Fire Flame. Of course, Sadie has to inspect the package. So it was delivered earlier, but I had other things to do. Sorry. I think it's not really a tree. I think it's like, how can I say it? You'll see. Okay, it says to open immediately. It has been here for a little while. Okay, this is the pamphlet that was on the inside. Give your plants the best chance. Okay. I guess these are care instructions. Okay. All right. And today is like sweltering. So I think I might even just take it inside. Okay. And let me see, what did I order? I ordered a Flame Thrower Redbud. Okay, people, this is what it came like. So I guess I'm going to put it in some water. Here's the tag. Okay. There we go. But it does look kind of dry, people. So let me see what the care instructions say. So apparently this is a dormant nursery stock, trees and shrubs. So I'm going to finish reading this and then take care of this shrub as soon as possible. Okay, so it says to soak this overnight. So I'm getting ready to put it in some water and get prepared to plant it in the morning, I guess. Okay, when it's cool, because down here today is sweltering. It's already 93 degrees at 3:30. Okay, so these are the instructions for the different ways that their shrubs and plants arrive. Okay, we'll continue on tomorrow.